In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and share any Facebook group link by following these simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and identify the group that you want to share the link. And for my case, I want to share the group link for this group. Once you have tapped on it, head over to these three dots here and tap on it. And from here, you'll see we have an option called share. Here it is. So if you tap on this, now you can share this either to Facebook, you can share via QR code, you can send in Messenger, send in WhatsApp, and we have quite a number of options. Just to grab the link, go ahead and tap on copy link. And from here, you can now go ahead and paste it anywhere to anyone, whether it is on Facebook. If you go ahead and copy the link, you can see you'll be sharing the link of this group. So that's how you find and share group links on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.